HP Pavilion 15 laptop. Stream easy for mind-blowing entertainment with a powerful performance. HP Pavilion 15EH1890AU. Processor AMD Ryzen 5-5500U processor. Memory 8GB DDR4-3200 SDRAM 2x4GB. Hard drive 512GB NVMe SSD. Graphics AMD Radeon Graphics. Display 15.6 inches diagonal FHD, IPS, anti-glare, micro-edge, WLED backlit, 300 nits, 1920 by 1080. Webcam HP Wide Vision 720p HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphones. Keyboard full-size, natural silver keyboard with numeric keypad. Progressive design with cutting-edge display. With its superior color ranging capabilities, this laptop ensures a stunning display of colors on its FHD IPS display. Ease of access and a completely comfortable design allows you to maximize your machine's potential. Liberating battery life. Concerned about losing power while traveling for a long time? Put your concerns aside and purchase the HP Pavilion laptop, which features a lightning-fast battery charger. Primary battery 3-cell, 41 Wh lithium-ion prismatic battery.